What up, guys? So I finally hit $20,000 on my portfolio. It's currently valued at $20,728. I've gained from the market $2,277, and then earned dividends is at $99, close to 100. I'll probably hit that next week. And then as far as buys, I have for tomorrow I have Verizon at $44 I'll be buying. And yeah, it's currently Wednesday, August 10th, after market hours right now. So yeah, I have a buy for Verizon, just $80 worth, around $44. And then as far as this week, I did buy some JP Morgan, $50 worth, around 115. Added some Kroger around $47, Verizon around 44. Again, just out cost averaging, like tomorrow morning, and then this was August 9th when I bought some. And then I also bought Bank of America around $34. Some more Kroger, just out cost averaging around the same price. And that's pretty much it as far as my portfolio. Still dollar cost averaging, still adding $300 every week right now. And yeah, not buying as aggressive since the market is going up right now. Still got like $500 worth of buying power. And yeah, that's pretty much it as far as an update on my portfolio. If you guys got any questions, leave a comment down below. And yeah, be sure to subscribe to keep up to date on my portfolio. I upload every week, and yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I'll see you guys next time.